Assalamu alaikum guys, what's up, what's going on? Today I'll show you a beautiful software. Yeah, exactly, a beautiful software, a backupper, AOMEI Backupper or AOMEI Backupper Professional. Right now I'm using Professional, but in your case when you download this you can easily download it for free. Now in the home section you will see here new backup or new synchronize means sync means synchronize. Now let's first discuss all the functions. Here is the backup. System backup means creating a complete system backup, disk backup, partition backup, and file backup. And then in synchronization you can simply do the basic synchronization, easily sync change files from the source directly to the destination directly. So that's interesting. I think you will understand and you love these features. Now real-time synchronize. Now what is this? Synchronize changed file from the source directly to the destination directory in a real time. Now another feature is mirror synchronizations. Always keep the files in the destinations directory exactly the same as the source directly. And the last two-way synchronization, any changes in the source or the destination directory will be synchronized to the other side. I hope you understand these features. Now let's talk about the restore. Here is the restore. Basically restore comes with your Windows 10 operating system, but with this software, with this tool, it's too handy to make a restore. Once you click here simply you need to select your destination. You can also share it with with other PC easily by setting up the DNS settings from here. When you click here, network path and display name, as you can see here is the IP. So with server or with PC you can easily share your backup. So that's a huge point of this software. Now here is the clone. Clone means the same backup. Clone or migrate your system to SSD or other disk. So if you have a 64 gigabyte USB or 32 bit, so you can easily clone your setup of your operating system. For example, I'm using Windows 10 and I can clone it with my USB. So in some cases, for example, if my Windows is corrupted, now I can use my USB and recover my Windows easily. That's actually the clone work. You can also clone your hard disks with USB or any third-party storage devices, and also the partition clone. Now the last option is here, tool. In the tool section you will see here a lot of features. Okay, now we will discuss these later. First, cloud backup. So you can make a free cloud backup, like on server you can just make backup from your PC and upload them on cloud servers. Now disk manager, you can also check out here. The disk manager also work for free. You can just download it from here and it's help you to create and delete and create new partitions, etc. So it's really helpful for you if you want. Now iPhone backup and transfer, you can also use this tool and it's absolutely free. Just click here and click on the download. It's absolutely free. The remote desktop, you can easily access your other PCs using this tool, so you can also download it and it's absolutely free. You can see here there's nothing like limited. You can access all the features with this. Just download it. Now data recovery, if you have mistakenly deleted some files, you can easily recover your files from here. So that's easy. Now let's back on the home section. Now here is the two option on the home section, the new backup and the new synchronization. Let's talk about these two features so you will understand all the functions of this tool. Now new backup, when you click here you need to make a backup of your system. For example, you want to make a backup of your operating system, the complete backup. It's a complete backup. In some cases, if your Windows has been corrupted, you can just use this backup tool and you can easily recover your operating system. And new disk backup, partitions backup, files backup, everything's work just same. Now let's try this system backup first. Now here is my system backup. Right now it's around 16.22 GB free of 111.17 GB. So first of all, we need to select here the destination where we want to make a backup. So for example, here is my USB. Let's format it first. That's it. Now simply let's create a system backup. You can also add some comments here, so you will remember that the date and the name of the file. And also you can enable encryptions for backup. If you want, you can just encrypt your backup with password, and email notification as well if you want to add. Otherwise, here the backup modes you can just tweak here a bit with commands, and advanced settings are here, so you can tweak here. Anyways, I think these are not much important. Now just select your USB here. Here is my USB, and then click on OK. Now start backup, and it will take only a few seconds or few minutes. According to your CPU performance, it will make a complete backup of your Windows 10 Pro. Okay, anyways, now let's talk about the second options, new sync. Now what actually this will happen, how actually this will work. Provide multiple modes to better synchronize your file. So synchronize means, for example, you have two folders like this. My bad. Okay, just suppose you have two folders here. Now this is your backup folder, the synchronize backup folder, and this is your original folder. Okay, now the synchronize backup, the real-time synchronize, and even these methods are the same almost. So for example, I'm just copying this file here into here, just pasting here. So synchronize process will automatically perform the same task here. In the task manager, you will get here that file automatically. Everything that you paste here or just delete from here, that same process will perform automatically here. So that's called the synchronization. And same procedure work here. You can make a basic synchronize, easy synchronize, change the files from the source directly to the destination directory. Synchronize, change files from the source directory to this destination directory in real time. So always keep the files in the destination directory exactly the same as the source directly. So these methods will work absolutely that I have show you in a demo. When you delete, the synchronize backup will delete that file. When you put something new, it will automatically synchronize that file. So this is how actually it's work. And this is real-time directory, means when you paste something new, at the same time it will make another backup for that file, only that file. And when you delete from the from backup, and it will not delete backup. This mirrored synchronization will delete, but real-time synchronization will not delete. And basic synchronize means only once it will synchronize, and two ways synchronize. Any changes in the source or destination directory will be synchronized to the other side. So these options are almost same. And again, here is the backup that I have shown you. Just make your PC backup, your Windows backup, or anything in a ADI.afi file. So it's on you. You can just completely make a backup, image backup. I hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button, share it with friends. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section, so I'll try to respond to you as soon as possible. But before closing this video, here's some few another tools in the tool section. You can also check that your PC does support Windows 11 or not, so you can check from here. Just click here and click on the star. It will scan your PC and will tell you that your PC does support or not support. Right now I have disabled the TPM settings, and it's saying that you need to fix this issue. So you can enable TPM from BIOS, If you don't know, then let me know, I will guide you properly. And there are two items that need to be fixed. So the second one item I forget, but my PC does not support create bootable media. You can also create bootable media from here for Windows and for Linux. So I think this feature is simple and easy. You can easily make backup, create a bootable media. Now explore image recovery environment. Okay, recovery environment means if you have deleted something by mistakenly, you can just recover it. Disk wipe, completely format your hard disks or SSD with this feature. Notification settings. Now in the notification settings, when you enable this, enable email or SMS notification, so it will notify you. Send for test, so you can just try this. I never tried this before, but I think okay, username and password, so whenever you get a new mail, it will notify you. That's amazing thing. I think I need to set up this later. Now storage management, it will clean the junk files from your PC, and will show you the exact things here. Now view logs, check image. Okay, check image means it will scan the image file, and then if something is corrupted or missing, then you can simply fix that. And import and export configurations and create portable versions. So there's a lot of features guys coming with this tool. That's why I'm recommending this. Go ahead, download it. Link is given below in the description. It's absolutely free. Just go ahead, download it and enjoy your life. See you in the next video. Till then, just take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.